अरे सबकी आवाज तो मेरे को सुनाई।
हाँ ये
Sir,
Yes.
this is go G7.
Oh, you are giving the answer. You are giving the answer. Yes, bishop can move to G7. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So let us move to next question.
Sir, and it can kill the rook.
Yes, it can. Very good question. Aditya has asked a fantastic question. I learn from children also sometimes. Aditya has asked whether bishop can capture the rook, opponent rook, क्योंकि बिशप छोटा है और रूक थोड़ा बड़ा है, तो क्या कैमल हाथी को मार सकता है क्या? यहाँ पर चेस में anybody can capture anybody. There is no any guideline कि ये नहीं कर सकता है. You can capture. Can
Okay,
capture
sir.
any piece. Please mute everybody. I have to keep on saying this. Very bad. So here again the similar question. Only one of the bishop can move to highlighted square. So which bishop and which highlighted square? Vaibhav, you are getting now, na?
Yes sir.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. I was little worried last time, last session you were not able to listen.
Sir, you need not worry about me.
I won't.
Sir, C8 can win E5.
Oh, you are giving the answer.
C8 can win E5.
8, C8. C8 can move to G5. That's right. Perfect.
G4.
It is
C7.
G4. It is
G4. C7.
no. Wait, just wait.
G4.
See, who is saying 7?
C8 can move to
C8. This is C8. C8 can move
C8 to G4.
G4.
C8 to G4.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Let us go to next. Now, similar problem. Only one bishop can move to highlighted square. And nobody will give me the answer. Everybody will write down the answer in your notebook. Aditya.
Yes, sir.
No answer giving. Huh? Let everybody understand it on their own. So here, see this bishop, no, it cannot move. क्योंकि ये बीच में आ रहा है और ये तो एनिमी है, यहाँ तो कुछ है ही भी नहीं. एनिमी को मार सकता है लेकिन कोई स्क्वायर तो नहीं है. This bishop can kill this but cannot go beyond this. Okay? And here only it can go. Here तो कोई possible ही नहीं है. This bishop also, it can move only in this white square. Then this bishop. Yes, this bishop can move.
So the answer is F1
Answer
to
is B5.
B5.
B5. B5 is the answer. Perfect. Perfect.
F1 bishop to B5.
Perfect. Ekdam correct. Next.
E5.
Now, similar question. Only one bishop can move to highlighted square. So, which bishop and which highlighted square?
Sir, can I see the answer?
No.
Okay.
Sir, I also got them.
No. Let me ask for one girl who has joined today. Shreya. Shreya has joined today. Shreya, can you tell me?
I am not getting the answer, sir.
Okay, okay. No issue. No issue. Don't worry. Bishop to khali tera
Excuse
jata
me, sir.
hai. So bishop goes. See, bishop goes like this
Third.
and like this. Okay. Please mute. Everybody, please mute. Everybody.
A8 का H1 पे.
Yes.
H8.
Good. 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 Who has given the answer?
Sir, Aditya.
A8. See, this can go. Shreya, see this. Can move straight like this.
H1.
And H1. समझलं श्रेया तुला? श्रेया समजलं? Good, good, good. Very good. So this is the answer. Next question. Now little you have to capture, I think. Now here, where this bishop can move, you have to write all those names of this square. Somebody is not muting his microphone. Who is that? It is correct.
Yeah.
Don't. आपको माइक्रोफोन को ओपन करना ही नहीं है, उसको हाथ ही नहीं लगाना है. Because you are disturbing everybody, beta. Okay. So here, what you have to do is you have to write down the name of the squares in your notebook where this bishop can move. So here, bishop can move here, क्योंकि वो टेढ़ा जाता है ना. Then here, but not here. ये तो family member है. Family member को काटेगा नहीं. तो इस स्क्वायर में वो जा नहीं सकता है. इस स्क्वायर में जा नहीं सकता है वो. Then it can move here. It can move here. It can move here. Then it can move here, but not here. Again, family member. Then here, here, and here. You see, all it is cross squares. It can go. Everybody understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Good. Again, you are breaking the rule. When I ask you, everybody understood, then what you have to do? Thumbs up, nothing else. Good. Now, again, similar question. Where this black bishop can move? All these squares you have to point. I am going to give you 15 seconds. So here, this bishop can move here. It can move here, 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 and even H8 also, because this is a black bishop, and black bishop can capture H8. Perfect. Then it can move here, here, and even here also, because वो दोनों तरफ से जाता है ना. But not here. It cannot jump. It can capture the
Yes, sir.
stop over there. Next.
A will capture and remain here.
Yeah. Now, bishop, in this exercise, you have to capture all the pawns on the board. So you decide your route, how you will go and how you will be able to capture all the pawns. Okay. So which will be the first pawn you will capture, which will be the second pawn. This is little difficult, I tell you. This is not like rook. थोड़ा यहाँ पर दिमाग की जरूरत लगेगी, कौन सा पॉन पहले और कौन सा पॉन बाद में.
Sir, B3 can capture F7.
Wait, don't give the answer. Don't give the answer.
Sir.
So the first answer is, this is right. This bishop can capture F7.
7.
Then,
And then G6.
wait. यहाँ पर बाकी के भी बच्चे हैं बेटा, और वो छोटे हैं ना आप लोगों से, तो इसके लिए थोड़ा स्लो जाना पड़ेगा ना बेटा. अभी नेक्स्ट यही रहेगा, G6. अभी आपको इम्पोर्टेंट है कि आपको नेक्स्ट पॉन कौन सा काटना है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ यू आर गेटिंग दिस पॉन
E4.
E4 and you are getting this pawn also, both.
E4 B7.
लेकिन अगर आपने ये पॉन ले लिया G-E4, it is wrong. Everybody, those who are saying E4, that is wrong.
6 will kill us.
Yeah, why wrong? No, it is not right.
7.
Listen carefully. If it takes this, what will happen? Next, it will take this pawn and then it will stuck up. It will not go anywhere. I will show you here. Yeah, this is the what you have to do. First, he will capture this, right? What you have said. Perfect. So capturing this. Next, he will capture this. That is also right. You have captured. Now, what will happen if you capture this first? If you capture this, then you have option of capturing this and this. इसमें से आपने ये पॉन कैप्चर किया तो बाद में ये पूरे लाइन में आपको कोई भी पॉन नहीं है. So you are stuck up. No other pawn. तो इसीलिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, आपको पहले इस पॉन को मारना है, वेट, बाद में दिस पॉन, then this pawn, then this pawn and then this pawn. तो सब पॉन हो गए. तो यहाँ पर रूट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप कौन से रूट से जाएंगे और किसे पहले मारेंगे. आपको नेक्स्ट मूव के बारे में भी थोड़ा सा सोचना पड़ेगा. यस, रिया वाज राइट. वेरी गुड रिया, एक्सेलेंट. सो द करेक्ट इज दिस फर्स्ट, देन दिस, then this, then this.
6, 7, then A6 and then E2.
Perfect. Let's move to next. Now here also capture all the pawns with black rook. तो कौन सा पॉन पहले, कौन सा पॉन बाद में.
सर F8 का D6 को.
ये तो पहला कोई भी बताएगा. अभी नेक्स्ट पॉन कौन सा, यही इंपॉर्टेंट है. Because now you are getting two pawns. You are getting this pawn also and you are getting this pawn also. तो आप कौन सा pawn मारेंगे वो important.
Sir, F5. नहीं
E5.
A3.
B3.
Let us see. Let everybody find out. Then I will tell you the answer. I am going to give you 1 full minute. Don't tell me. You write down. You write down name of this.
Sir.
Shreya.
We have to write down the answer.
If you write down, it is better. Because that is the exercise drill. It is going to make you better in chess. Now, the correct answer is this.
Done, sir.
A3. And not this.
A3.
क्योंकि
Then-
ये मारने के बाद ये मारेंगे बाद में ये मारेंगे और बाद में ये मारेंगे फिर स्टकअप फिर ये
But
दो
we-
पॉइंट यहाँ के रह जाते हैं इसके लिए ये मारना है
Yes, sir.
बाद में ये B2 नेक्स्ट
Then E4. Then G3. Then F2.
wait then F2
Then G1.
Then
I want
Maggie. And then A5.
A3 first. A3 first.
next
D2.
good
A3 first.
now only one of the bishop can capture opponent's piece so which bishop and which piece piece means here they call pawn also a piece huh? So it could be a pawn also or it could be a piece also कौन सा बिशप किसको मार रहा है उतना ही बताना है आपको उतना ही लिखना है आपको and don't give the answer here nobody Arav Bhagwe wait you can put in chat on personal chat Arav but don't give the answer over here loudly everybody will listen the answer.
I know the answer.
Very good, but you please write that.
Okay, sir.
So the correct answer is this bishop.
F1. F1.
Yes, perfect. Now, only similar problem. Only one of the bishop can capture opponent's piece. Which bishop and which piece?
Sir, G7 can kill B3. Capture B3.
Who is that giving the answer?
I tell the answer.
I said not to give the answer loudly. You can put it in chat.
Sir, I told the answer.
Very bad, Aditya. So the correct answer is this bishop will capture this pawn.
C3.
C3 pawn. C3 pawn. So here we have already completed our bishop exercise drill already over because this much is there. Bishop is so simple. Bishop and rook are very simple.
And king is also easy one.
Because queen moves just like bishop and rook combine. Queen rooks, queen moves just like bishop and queen and rook combine. So the most
Yes.
important piece on the board is knight. Knight is important in what sense कि उसकी movement जो है ना वो थोड़ी difficult है understanding में उसकी movement. So our tomorrow's session is very important. You are not going to miss that session where I will be teaching you knight movement. Today we have still time, so I am going to tell you the movement of the knight today also. Okay, but all drills and all everything we will take tomorrow. Let us go.
Sir, I know.
Yeah, you know it. Then you please keep it to yourself. Let everybody understand, Avni. So,
Sir, what happened to the pawn?
wait. Pawn will be better. Pawn is difficult than knight. Knight is much easier than pawn because pawn has got little
Because it's
different
walking
rules.
issue.
2-3 different rules are there for pawn. So that is why I teach pawn at the end. Okay.
Sir, knight goes
Too
in L
easy,
shape, no?
too easy, one difficult, again too easy, and one difficult. That is the way we are learning.
Sir, knight can go.
Yeah. Please mute everybody.
L shape.
Everybody's microphone is going on. Hiyan, microphone बंद करना बेटा हमेशा. Yeah. So now we will work on knight. How does knight move? Please listen carefully. Knight moves 2.5 square. So where is the half square comes? You don't have to divide this square. So if we count this as a 0 where he is standing, this is 0. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So where the half comes? Half comes over here or half comes over here. Either this or this, not this. So 1, 2.5 or 1, 2.5. So you will find it is forming an L shape, capital letter L in English. So this move in L shape on the board. It doesn't go straight only or it doesn't go
1, 2.5.
yeah, diagonal also. So this will move here, 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 and here. All these four squares.
L shape. It goes in L shape.
All these four squares. There is a different way. I am going to tell you, just please remember because I will be repeating this tomorrow. See, this is in dark square. So next square he will be occupying will be the light square all the time. If he is in light square, he will go to dark square. That is the rule. So from here it moves, see dark square. Again dark square. Again dark square. Dark, 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 and dark. See, from this it has moved to 8 squares. It is controlling 8 squares on the board and all in L shape. All in L shape. There is one more way how to understand this. First go slanting and then go straight. Anywhere, first go slanting and then go straight. First go slanting and then go straight. Go slanting and go straight. So it is how you calculate. Everybody will calculate in a different way. But ultimately you have to come to the same square. You calculate 2 straight and 1 horizontal. That is also correct way. And this 1 slanting and then straight. That is also you are coming to the same square. Only thing is you have to see that it is starting square and ending square should form a L shape between them. So this is the starting and this is ending. Now I am going to ask you one simple question here. You write down in your notebook where this knight can go, which square it can move. Write down those squares in your book. Shlok, write down the name of the squares where this
Okay.
horse can move. ईशान कैमरा ऑन करो, रुशम कैमरा ऑन करो, अवनी
Sir, when will the class end?
yeah. Now the answer is this and this.
Third.
B3 and C3.
No. It is C2.
No, D2 and B3.
It is C2 and B3. C2 and B3.
Yes, sir.
It goes.
D3 and D2.
Yes.
Third, a knight goes in L shape.
L shape. Correct. Knight moves in L shape. Now I am putting this over here. You write again where the knight can move. All these squares.
Oh, this much?
Come on, Aditya. Find out where it can move.
Sir, it is much big step. Knight can move only.
No, knight can. So I have put it over here. It is not moving. I kept it over here.
Battery is low.
I kept it over there.
Acha, kept it low. Sir, my battery is low.
Okay, no problem. Our session is almost ending. After this, we are ending our session. हाँ वैभव निकाला अचानक सेकंड सेशन ला वैभव निकाला. So here this can move to this square C.
G7,
Then it can move.
G3,
Perfect. It can move here also. F4 and
G3.
B3. Only these 4 squares.
Yes, this much.
If you have written these answers correctly, that's very good. I am very happy.
It's like a snake.
Excellent. Riya, where is Riya? Riya, Shreya, you understood this? Good. Hiyan? No, Riya को समझा नहीं बेटा. Riya को समझा नहीं. Okay, Riya, don't worry. Tomorrow again we are going to take this. Don't worry. Okay. We will be learning about this night. आप क्या करो? आप इसका फोटो निकाल के रखो अभी आपके मोबाइल में. So you will understand that where it can move. See, it can move to these squares only. And why? Because it is in L shape. It is in L shape from this square to this square.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you are showing now that I know all this.
Yeah, Shashwat, you understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So only Riya, you try to catch up, beta. Don't worry. And I'm going to teach this again. Riya and Shreya need not have to worry at all. Good.
Okay.
Okay, beta. Yes. So here we are ending. I am going to put these sessions on YouTube and send you the link. If at all you haven't understood anything, you can re-watch the entire our video session so that you will get it easier way.
In
Even
WhatsApp.
Ria-
In WhatsApp.
I will send the link on WhatsApp. I will
Okay,
send the
sir.
link on WhatsApp. Then
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Sir, on the session.
yes.
We are not on the that
Yeah, I
you
will
don't
send the link.
understand, sir. We have to do that. You send all data our classes.
Yes. Whatever you haven't understood, you can re-watch our video session and then you will get it. And even after that you didn't understand, you let me know.
All the sessions.
All the sessions will be there. Our first session is also there. Second session is also first session is on there. Second session is also there on YouTube. So I am going to send you the link. Okay.
It's not going to be first session. Only
Yeah.
second.
This session also it will be there.
Second session. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So bye bye beta everybody.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir, bye, bye.